Hey guys, it's Pandora, the Postcard Diva. How's everybody doing today? Hope everybody's having a great day and everybody's healthy and happy. I'm back, guys, on behalf of Funnel X ROI. Can't say enough about this system. It is so easy. You probably landed here before we get started is because you're looking for a way to make money online, and that's how you landed on my page. I'm a full-time internet marketer, and I show you ways that you can make money online. And I also show you systems and tools that you can use to enhance and help you get more leads and signups in your business. Okay, so Funnel X ROI is the system that encompasses five residual income streams. Actually, 5 income streams. Okay, on the front end, you have your instant pay. Okay, system called Easy One Up. Easy One Up is digital information. It is digital courses that teach you how to market online. Okay, so this Easy One Up program, okay, pays anywhere from $25 to $2,000. Okay, it's member to member. It's direct pay. So you're paid instantly once someone purchases one of the courses that they have. Okay, they pay the administration fee and then they pay you directly. Okay, you can receive your money any way you want, whether it's PayPal, Walmart, a merchant account, however you choose. It's your business. Okay, there's no middleman. Okay, so I've been talking about this for a while because I've been an Easy One Up for a year now, I believe. And what I liked about Funnel X ROI is it's perfect for a newbie to get started. So you don't have to worry about trying to explain when they join. Okay, and it's a time saver. Okay, it's going to save everybody time from having to explain how to set up the system. Okay, with Funnel X ROI, you're going to be walked step by step. Your hand is going to be held as you walk through the setup process of this system. Okay, so all you got to do is plug in. It's just going to walk you through how to set up everything, your funnel. Okay, so at any rate, I just want to come to you guys to show you that it is continuing to work. Today, I woke up to a $500 commission. So the system does work. You won't see me, guys, do a lot of flashing, showing, here's a payment, here's a payment, here's a payment. Because I like to show you guys that, the systems work to make them work. Okay? And then every now and then, we'll show you what's possible. Okay, it's not a guarantee of income, but what it is, it show you today. Okay, so what I'm going to do now is I'm going to show you, what I received in my inbox this morning. All right, hold on one second. From Easy One Up this morning, as you can see right here at 9:43 a.m., 7 hours ago, $500, the Vertex Elite level. This person is all the way in the United Kingdom. Okay. And I'm going to tell you some of the ways that I promote as well. So just wanted to show you that. And then let me show you the payment. Okay. Now, here's the payment that I received from PayPal. I'm not going to reveal the person's name up here. As you can see, October 4th. And here's the $500. Okay. And of course, PayPal takes out their little fee. But hey, $500 came in this morning before my feet hit the ground. Okay. So, Funnel X ROI is the way to go, guys. Now, some of the ways that I am promoting this business is, first of all, video marketing. Okay, it's free. Then, of course, text message marketing, which I've been talking to you guys about for quite some time now. I have 2 different platforms that I'm using. I'll put the links below for that and actually use text message marketing, video marketing, and then solo ads, guys, and then also a couple other traffic sources, and I'll share those with you as well when you sign up with me, as well as you can get some bonuses that I've got going as well. When you reach out to me, I'll let you know what they are. Okay, guys, so Funnel X ROI is the way to go. Freedom, you want to simply follow the system. As I said, this person is all the way in the UK. We spoke one time when he said he was going to join, and that's it. He signed himself up. And I received an email that the payment was here. Okay, so I'm going to put the link below for Funnel X ROI. I'm going to put the link below for the other 2 text messaging platforms that I'm using. And I look forward to you partnering with me. Go ahead and subscribe. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. Make sure you click the notification bell so you can be notified when I upload new videos. Okay? And like the video. Okay? I look forward to partnering with you guys. I'll see you on the inside. You guys have a blessed day.